Experiencing problems with your Lorex 4K security camera? The most frequent culprits are power over Ethernet, PoE, and IP configuration issues. First, let's address PoE. Ensure your PoE switch or injector supports the 802.38 standard PoE Plus to deliver sufficient power 10 to 20 watts. Check the Ethernet cable for damage and test its continuity. A faulty cable or underpowered switch is a common cause. Use a cable tester to check continuity, as shown here with damaged cables and a fault locator device. If PoE isn't the issue, it's likely an IP conflict. Use an IP scanner app like Fing to locate the camera's IP address. Access the camera's web UI, usually at 192.168.1.10, and make sure it's on the same subnet as your router's NVR. Enable UPnP for automatic port forwarding, which helps with connectivity. Solving either of these issues, PoE delivery and IP config, are the most important steps. If PoE and IP checks don't solve the problem, a factory reset is your next best bet. Locate the reset button, usually a small pinhole on the camera. With the camera powered on, press and hold the reset button for 10 to 15 seconds. This will restore the camera to its default settings. After the reset, reconfigure the camera using the Lorex app. For persistent issues, consider these advanced steps. First, ensure your camera's firmware is up to date, as unpatched cameras are more prone to hacks and connectivity issues. Next, consider the age of your Lorex NVR and compatibility with the 4K cameras. For unresolved problems, document your camera's MAC address and firmware version and contact Lorex support for further assistance.